Join me as I challenge myself to drink beetroot juice every day for a week to see if it really boosts my health. Beetroot juice has been trending in the wellness circles lately, and I'm excited to dive into its benefits and see if it's worth the hype. Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity are on the rise, and it's no secret that our modern lifestyle is to blame. We're constantly surrounded by processed foods, pollutants, and stressors that take a toll on our bodies. It's no wonder people are turning to natural solutions to take control of their health. The problem is, it's hard to know where to start or what remedies actually work. That's why it's essential to explore the evidence behind different natural health solutions and separate the facts from the fads. In today's world, it's crucial to stay informed and make conscious choices about our health. One of the main reasons people struggle to make healthy changes is because they don't know where to start or are overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. It's frustrating when you're trying to make progress, but you're not sure what's working and what's not. That's why I believe it's essential to focus on simple, actionable steps that can be incorporated into our daily routines. By making small changes, we can start to notice significant improvements in our overall health. Another challenge people face is that they might not have the support or community they need to stay motivated. It's one thing to start a new habit, but it's another thing entirely to stick to it. That's why I think it's crucial to find like-minded individuals who share similar health goals and aspirations. When we surround ourselves with people who uplift and support us, we're more likely to stay on track and make lasting changes. In addition to the lack of support, many people struggle with the cost of healthy living. It's no secret that organic produce and natural supplements can be pricey. However, what if I told you that one of the most potent natural health remedies is also one of the most affordable? Beetroot juice has been shown to have remarkable health benefits, and it's easier on the wallet than you might think. Beetroot juice is packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. It's also an excellent source of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is essential for vasodilation, which means it helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. The antioxidants in beetroot juice also help to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are at the root of many chronic diseases. Research has consistently shown that beetroot juice can help to lower blood pressure, improve exercise performance, and even reduce inflammation in the body. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that just 1 week of beetroot juice supplementation improved endurance and reduced oxygen consumption during exercise. Another study published in the American Heart Association's journal, Hypertension, found that beetroot juice lowered blood pressure in patients with hypertension. I recently came across a remarkable study that showcased the power of beetroot juice in improving cardiovascular health. The study, published in the European Journal of Nutrition, found that beetroot juice reduced blood pressure and improved vascular function in patients with high blood pressure. What's even more impressive is that the study participants saw significant improvements after just 6 weeks of supplementation. The results were so promising that the researchers concluded that beetroot juice could be a valuable addition to traditional therapies for cardiovascular disease. The study's lead author, Dr. Amrita Ahluwalia, stated that the results of this study suggest that beetroot juice could be a useful adjunct to traditional therapies for cardiovascular disease. This is huge, considering that cardiovascular disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. The fact that a simple natural remedy like beetroot juice could be a game changer in the fight against heart disease is incredibly exciting. One of the most inspiring testimonials I came across was from a woman who suffered from chronic fatigue syndrome. She started drinking beetroot juice daily and reported a significant increase in energy levels within just a few weeks. She was able to start exercising again and even started her own business. Her story is a testament to the power of natural remedies and the impact they can have on our lives. In conclusion, beetroot juice is a natural, affordable, and research-backed solution that could be a valuable addition to your health routine. Whether you're looking to improve cardiovascular health, boost energy levels, or simply feel more vibrant, beetroot juice is definitely worth considering. If you've tried beetroot juice before, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if you're looking for more videos on health drinks, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be exploring another natural remedy that's making waves in the health community. Thanks for watching.